Yo, insurance ba ni Kiar? Insurance ba? Yo!
Don't they drink?
Girl, your body big like the full moon. Have me howling like a werewolf. Ow!
Me no know what do me. Sorry.
Yo, uncle. Starma come tomorrow, you know, man. Make sure you buy up your tin stuff and batten down the flimsy window them we have, you know. Star forward. Yeah, man. Cut down the cook garden we have, cause breeze a come with you and boy, the breeze a go strong, you know. Me here see a category 75.
And its objective is when the man not trust him woman, the man a detective. Don't plug. Remind us that God soon come. Then I see a PLH now fling down. 2 more baby swim come. We have to do something about 4 people income. When another car go bring come. Texture your ear, fit your darling.
Hey, you know Tommy down by the docks? Yeah, the one with the face. Yeah, he says to me, he says this, get this. I don't believe in systemic racism.
Oh, wait!
I know, I was baffled by the ignorance.
So what'd you do to him?
Well, let's just say hypothetically he's, sleeping with the fishes, if you know what I mean.
Hey, there we go, huh?
Yeah, I don't tolerate any bigotry on my watch.
Hey, yo, besties!
Hey, look who it is. It's Fat Tony.
Whoa!
Oh,
Excuse me.
Hey, you body shaming him?
You body shaming me?
I'm not body shaming nobody.
He's got body image issues.
The
body image.
Hi, Debbie.
How can they be alright?
Yeah, me alright. Me have something to tell you.
Yeah, what happened?
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
You don't say? Me can't hear. Me can't hear.
Hello?
Me can't hear. Hello, good morning.
Hello, what is the order?
Yes, can I have fried chicken and rice and peas, please?
Pork and dumpling?
No. Fried chicken, rice and peas.
Fried chicken?
Yes.
Dumpling?
No, fried chicken, rice and peas.
Curry and dumpling? Yo, Ronnie. Run up and curry there for it. Curry and dumpling there for it. Would you like anything else, sir?
Good morning, miss. Just come
Yes, good morning,
one
good morning.
pencil.
A pencil? I'm gonna ask for
Yes,
you.
miss.
Doesn't have a pencil?
No, miss. No, miss.
Don't have any pencil.
CJ, I love bag. Yes, I'm forward.
Yeah, forward.
The things
yeah,
on the
forward.
table.
Hey, boy, conscious shit
And the
get
things
on
on
the
the
pants and
table.
come in and wash them. And the pants just full of shit, so. Lord Jesus, man. You can clean the ass good night bathroom. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Go make some breakfast now.
Alright, good thing.
Where's season? Where's season? It's
What you want
season.
season for?
Make mackerel. And mackerel me go make you now. Where's
You know you
season?
see some make mackerel?
Fit you? Bombat. Me never know.
You, come here. How can I choose that, young man? How can I choose that? Go and change it. Hurry up. Go and change it. You, come here. Why your pants so tight? Go to the principal's office now. No. Good morning. Left, right. Jump and give 100. Wipe on that one, Sergeant. Why up? Sergeant. Wipe on that one. Sergeant, I can't do that, no, Sergeant. Come on, no cadets. Bend down, force. No, wipe on that man, Sergeant. Bun up.